What's up, baby?
What is on your face?
I'm gearing up for the game.
What game? You don't play football?
That's besides the point. I'm geared up for the sales game. I'm writing a playbook as we speak. Playbook!
A playbook? Ooh, sounds fancy. Wait, what?
Okay, Internet. I'm Chad from HubSpot Run, a team of Platinum HubSpot partners. And today, we're going to show you how to enable your sales team by using HubSpot Playbooks.
Okay, while Chad gets the makeup off his face, I'll go ahead and dive into playbooks. Why would you want to use playbooks and how do they help you close more deals? Well, if you've been in sales for a long time, you probably know, and we hear this all the time, that if you can just start a conversation with someone qualified, you're probably going to close the deal. The struggle is real with training new sales teams on the tactics that you know work in closing deals. Playbooks allow you to canonize that process and then put it inside HubSpot for your new sales team to refer to at any point. Playbooks can be found under your sales playbooks. Here we have our Edna Mode superhero suits. Obviously, we sell superhero suits, and so it just makes a lot of sense that we'd have a playbook under Edna Mode. If you don't get that joke, it's fine. We won't judge you. This playbook walks through the goal of this particular type of sale. It walks through major pitfalls your sales team might encounter. And then it walks through the nitty-gritty of how do you communicate? What are the steps for taking a cold lead to a warm lead? There's a lot of really great templates in here to get you started. They're going to ask important questions. They're going to get the ball rolling. And from there, you'll be able to take it because you know this industry and you already know how to sell. If we do a discovery call playbook, it's going to start with, what are the top initiatives at your company right now? This is a question that you'd be asking someone else, right? This will prompt your sales team to remember that they need to start talking about initiatives. They need to talk about goals. They also need to help understand the role that particular person plays, because if you can help that person do their role better, and if your sale can help them do their job better, you have a sale, right? Each of these templates have these kinds of questions to help you start writing playbooks that make sense. The really cool thing about playbooks in HubSpot is that if you go to your contacts and you're inside the contact record of any particular person, on the right, not only do you have all of your deals and your tickets and all the things you'd expect to find, but you even have playbooks in here. So if you have a brand new sales team member who is talking to Mario and they need their new Edna Mode superhero suit, you can bring that up. You can even log the call right from here and make notes inside this playbook that now is going to become personalized for Mario.
Hey, Amy, thanks for taking the ball and running with it. It is a sports analogy after all. Anyway, you might be asking, what if I don't have any great leads to put in my CRM? I don't need a playbook right now. I need leads. That's a great question. We have a video for that on how to get great leads into your CRM by tomorrow. Spoiler alert, it could even be as early as today. Go ahead. Go on. Take a look. Go ahead.
That's it. Subscribe for more content like this and go ahead, watch our awesome leads video.